Hey everyone, welcome back to new video. So this video is going to be about ranges, and this is the NQ chart and the time frame is 1 hour. So in front of you, this is I marked two swing points here. So whenever price trying to break these swing points, you can see there is no price reject acceptance outside of the swing point, and it just simply goes back into the range. And same here, there was no acceptance here for lower values, so it again go back to this range. And you can see her time also, there was no acceptance outside of the range, and we just accepted back into this range, and I took a shot only at this candle. So we will also talk about this shot further. So let's move to the TPO chart here. So this is the 1 hour chart of NQ, and this TPO is a weekly TPO. So in front of you, you can see this is the previous week TPO here. This one is the previous week TPO, and if we mark this range, this is the high volume node of this profile. What we get here is a balanced range. So this is the balanced range of this profile, and what price does here, same way, not able to accept outside of the range. So what this indicates, whenever the price is stuck in a balanced area, so what this means, whenever price is stuck in a balanced area, we have to find a value area for some high volume node range. So you can trade the fade outs here. Whenever price tries to fade this value area, you just take a trade here and just target opposite value here. So same logic goes here. We have this high volume node here, and whenever price tries to fade his, so price tried to fade this today also, and I took this short. This was the pretty logic on 1 hour time frame. There was nothing else. You can just see. Also price was above previous week high. This was the previous week high, and this was the value area, like high volume node of this profile. So this is the daily TPO here, and we will also discuss logic here. So this is the current, here is the current day profile of the NQ, and this is the previous day profile. So you can notice a high volume node here at the extreme. So price took this high volume node and fall like anything. So this was the basic reason for this trade. First one is, like, price was in balanced area and was at the extreme of the range also, and we were also fading this high volume node area, and there was a high volume node here at this point. So with this so the plan before the trade was simply taking a short here at high volume node, or a short above the previous day high, sorry. So these were the two plans for me today, and I took short here. Wait, I also show that short to you. So we can see when price tried to break this range, you can see the choppiness here. There was no clean higher high here. Like I said, if price breaks a range and gives a good higher high volume here, so like price, if price breaks the range and there is some good volume, like a higher high has some good volume, you can check the wicks here. The candle wick is so high, the volume was pretty dead here. That was also a good observation here. And actually I got a stop loss here before taking the actual short. I shorted here somewhere near, and I got stopped here. Then immediately went after, I took another short here. This was the short, and stop was again upside. but I targeted just this swing. I was not accepting that much move, like completely going to the opposite side of the value. That was like little shocking to me. I was not expecting that pretty good move, but it is what it is. Still we got some good RR here. Also, here is the execution of this trade. As I told, first one I got a stop here, which is this one. So this was the first trade where I got short, and I got SL here, but second time I shorted here at this candle high, at this breaker, and this was the TP here. So I booked some partial at when this low got broken, and there was one more low on the left side. So this was pretty execution of this trade, and I executed this trade on gold futures. You can also check out them. So I executed this trade on gold funded futures. They have multiple platforms and no activation fee. You can also check out them, and I will pin their website link in bio in comment section, so you can also check out them. And here are the profit target and everything about their account sizes and plans, so do check out them.